we've got some exciting news for you. We are more than proud to announce that YIZUMI is making a breakthrough. Behind me is the 8,400-ton ultra-large two-platen injection molding machine based in YIZUMI China Wujiang production base. I bet you would like to get a glimpse of that. So, close-up time! How to describe the machine? Why not give you some numbers? So follow me. The machine is around 27 meters long, and it takes around 22.5 seconds to walk from start to the end in general. The mold opening stroke is 4.5 meters long. The overall height of the machine is 66 meters. Imagine the machine is higher than a two-story building. It covers an area of 251 square meters, bigger than 3 badminton courts in general. When it comes to the core components, a single platen weighs 140 tons, equivalent to the weight of 23 Asian elephants. Impressive! To highlight, it took 4 months to assemble the machine and at least 30 technicians worked on it. When facing challenges, we are here to break the boundaries. With nearly 20 years of development, YIZUMI is building up strong capabilities in product development and technological innovation. And of course, every great product is inseparable from the ingenuity of the R&D team. The project team is composed of YIZUMI senior engineers, researchers from the South China University of Technology, and experts from the Chinese Academy of Engineering to tackle the key technology challenges. Together, we found solutions to solve the molding difficulties of the ultra-large, transparent plastic parts in China, such as in these areas. The great machine created with ingenuity. Enjoy your discovery journey of the first 8,500-ton ultra-large two-platen injection molding machine in China. Leave your comments below and share thoughts. I will see you at the next video.